Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CSwithRahul. Guys, first of all, Happy New Year to everyone. May this year brings a great success and happiness in your life. So this year your goal should be that you have to write the code that does not only runs but inspires also. So guys, in today's video I am going to cover another question of Java 8 Stream API which will definitely help you in this year for your coding interview, and as well as this will help you to understand the Java 8 Stream API. So how can you implement your string related questions through Java 8 Stream API? That today's question I am going to take, and it is related to filter and counting of the string. Means we will filter on different basis, as well as we will count it the strings after the filtering, as well as we will see that how starts with method will work. Okay, so guys, our question would be like that we have to find out the solution. Okay, so our question would be like this, that count strings having length more than 3 using stream functions, right? Whatever the stream functions, stream methods is there, stream API is there, that we have to use, and we have to find out the solution. So without late we will start the video. You have to be with the video till last so that you can get it how many type of approaches we will follow here. So first of all, I have created one class here which is string filter, and in this string filter class I will take some questions. But let me share you one important thing, that I am creating the videos in both the languages, in Hindi language as well as in English language. If someone is not comfortable with Hindi, they can follow my playlist which is in English language. All type of question I am making and explaining there in both the playlist. All the type I have covered, as well as I have created some Java shorts in which you can revise your concepts quickly. You can just go to the playlist, play all in shorts in 1 2 minutes. You can cover all the questions, all the main major concepts of the Java, which will help you in the interviews. Okay, so now we are going to write our code first. So as the question is, we have to find out the strings from the list which is having more than length 3. So we will create first that a list, string type of list. So how can we create the string type of list? So we will create the string type of list by arrays dot as list. So let me create it first. So here I am creating like list. This list would be string type. So I am giving just name that list. You can provide another name like string list or whatever you want. So arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list I am creating here. Here I am providing some city names like Delhi, Mumbai, Goa, Hyderabad, Patna, and like MP and CG I am giving MP and state I am also considering, so that we will get the names which are having less than 3 characters. Okay, so now what we have to do, guys, as already I have explained in the previous video, you can go to my playlist. You can watch there that I have created many kind of pattern questions like string type, integer type, sorting type, filtering type. Okay, so you can go there and you can watch. So first of all, what we need to do it, we need to create the stream, and after creating the stream, what we need to do, we need to filter it, because once you will create the stream, you can perform the operation on each element. So our question is currently based on each element. So how can we do it? We can use the filter method here, right? We can use the filter. So one element would be taken by lambda expression. So here I am using lambda expression, and s dot length method I am calling. Okay, so what it will do, it will take one by one element from the list and it will find out the length. So after finding out the length, what will I do? After finding out the length, I will see that the length should be more than 3. Okay, length should be more than 3. So once length would be more than 3, we will filter out those strings, those elements. Let me put out the comment: string having length more than 3 elements. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it, because once you will do it, then it will give the motivation to us that if you are not liking, not sharing my YouTube videos, then I am also not getting motivation, right? Because all these contents I am giving absolutely free, and slowly I will start the concept related videos also. But you have to tell in the comment that start the videos, or start or course videos you can comment, so that I will be motivated and I will create those concept videos in very proper manner. Guys, whatever the courses you are finding out in the coaching centers, in the institutions, by paying much of the amounts, that you will get it here in my YouTube channel completely free. I am not going to charge any single rupees for those videos, right, which I am providing you in the YouTube. I'm not talking about any courses, I'm talking about these. Okay, so definitely I will cover those. So come back to the this question. So here we have filtered out whatever the length, whatever the string is having length more than 3. Then we having one, see, two type of methods, two type of functions are there in the stream API, which is one is intermediate and one is terminal operation. Two operations are there. So now here we will call the terminal operation, right, which is count. Terminal method means at last we have done what? We have done our counting, we have filtered out and we have done, and this is returning the long type of data type of value. Okay, so we will stored here string count, str count. Okay, then I will print out this system.out.println. Here let me write string having more than 3 length. Which string is having more than 3 length? What will I write here? I will write string count. I am just saving it because this is very easy question, and then run as Java application. Now you can see 4 elements are there: one Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Patna. Okay, these are what? These are more than 3 length. Guys, if you want to print out this, you don't want to just count, you also want to print out. Then how can you do it? In two manners. You can store it. Here I am directly printing, right? Printing the strings having more than 3 length. Okay, so how can I do it? The same code I have taken from there, and here I will use the for each method. Which method? For each method I will take it from here. After this for each, what will I do? Because I have to print, so what will I do? System dot out, and I will use the method reference print ln. Okay, system dot out print ln. That's it, you have to do nothing. But here your assignment is there, you have to store it and then you have to print it. Let me right click, save as, and run as Java application. See, now you can see the elements also: Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Patna. Okay, so this is the important question, and mostly this type of question interviewer ask. Now guys, another question we will see. In this also we will filter, but we will see any string starting from any particular character, right? Any string start from any particular character, like, okay, system dot out dot println, and I'm printing here the strings starts from, let me check if have to, like Patna and Pune. Here I am giving one another city, Pune. Okay, let me give it like this, Pune I have given. So I am doing, if any city is starting from P, then how can you filter it out? Same code I am taking. So first what we need to do, see guys, in list there is no changes happening. Okay, no changes happening list, because this is the benefit of stream API. Original list will not be manipulated. Okay, then what I am doing here, calling the stream API stream method, and after that stream, and after that what I am doing, after that I am just filtering it again. What I am doing, filtering it again. How can I filter it? By filter method. Okay, by the filter method. What I will provide, same as each element I will take, and here this time I will provide starts with, so I will take like P. It will starts with P. Then for each method I will call system dot out and print ln. Right click and save as. String it starts from P. Okay, save it, run as Java application. Now you can see whatever the strings starts from P got printed here. Okay, so in this manner you have to practice. My request to all of you, that once you watch the video and after that pause it, take the screenshot or pause it, and then you practice it. Okay, because without practice you cannot find out the exact solution. You will forget these things. You don't need to memorize anything. Okay, you have to practice once, two times, three times. You will practice it, definitely you will remember it and you will explore it more. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, share this video to your friends, comment if you have any doubt, or comment course if you want to launch me the course here. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the updated notification for my updated and current videos. Till then, we will meet in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.